Finding the CRN number location on your document.
In this video, we will guide you through the process of finding the CRN, course reference number, location on your document. The CRN is a unique identifier used by educational institutions for class registration and scheduling purposes. It is typically found on course-related documents, such as registration forms, class schedules, and transcripts. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to locate your CRN with ease.
What is a CRN?
A CRN, or course reference number, is a unique identifier assigned to each course section offered by an educational institution. This number helps students and administrators track and manage course registrations, schedules, and other related information.
Which documents contain a CRN?
CRNs can typically be found on the following documents. 1. Registration forms. When registering for classes, you'll usually find the CRN alongside other course details, like the course name and section number. 2. Class schedules. Your personal class schedule will often list the CRN for each enrolled course. 3. Transcripts. Some institutions also include CRNs on transcripts to help identify specific course sections.
How to find the CRN location on your document.
To locate the CRN on your document, follow these steps. 1. Scan the document. Start by scanning the entire document for any table or list containing course information. 2. Identify the course details. Look for a section containing course details such as course name, course code, and section number. 3. Locate the CRN. In the course details section, search for a column or row labeled as CRN, course reference number, or a similar variation. The CRN will typically be a 5-digit number. Remember, the exact location of the CRN may vary depending on the institution and the document type. In this video, we've covered what a CRN is, which documents commonly contain CRNs, and how to find the CRN location on your document. We hope this guide helps you locate your CRN number with ease. If you still have trouble finding the CRN, consider reaching out to your institution's registrar or academic advising office for assistance.